Okay, so we are getting on Route 8 here in an attempt to go to Sawmill City Road in Shelton. Now, I am recording this little introduction because what all of you don't know is, what the hell? Okay. We were actually at Sawmill City Road last night. We went there in the fog and the rain, and we were there for about an hour. We had a pretty good investigation. Not too much happened, but it was still fun. Oh my God. I swear, I could do my own paranormal investigation just driving on Route 8. This is like one of the scariest. Anyways, we were on Sawmill City Road for about an hour, and we came home, and I went to upload the file from my phone to my laptop, and it disappeared. And I lost it. I lost the entire thing, and I was so mad. So I figured we would attempt to go back again tonight because we really don't have that much else to do. It is freezing cold out here. My thermometer on my car says it's 36 out, but it feels like it's like 10. And Chris is sitting back there with the window wide open. Anyway, yeah. Anyways, what the hell are you singing? Anyways, so we are going to attempt to return to Sawmill City Road, despite being there last night, but this time, hopefully, we're going to be able to what are you singing back there? We are going to actually be able to have the investigation uploaded. Now, I have a theory that if we go to a certain spot too many times, like too often, we can actually make spirits there mad. Because they don't like us interacting with them all the time. So if we go there again tonight, that actually will tie into my theory that maybe we will get more activity that way. So join us if you shut up. Join us if what is that? That's your singing. Join us, if you will, on our all-new investigation of Sawmill City Road in the freezing cold. Coming up very soon. Oh my God. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, and spirits alike, we were just here last night, but we couldn't upload our video. Enormous. So we are back.
Getting out.
Are you getting out? No, it's cold out here. We know them. Oh. So we are back again to aggravate you. I'm just kidding.
Enemies?
We're not going to aggravate you.
One of the virtues.
One of the virgins?
Shoppers. Shapen.
Are you happy that we are here again tonight?
Tend to be.
We tend to be. It's cold out here tonight. Very cold. Last night it was really foggy. Tonight
The weakest.
Tonight, who's the weakest?
Will.
Tonight it's just very cold. Let's start off here next to the tree with its legs spread. Actually, that tree looks like a butt. Okay, I'll stop. He said it's cute.
It's dry.
Me out of 2.
What? Last night when we were here, someone who lives on this road kept coming up to driving back and forth with a big truck. So I wonder if that person's going to do it again tonight too. We are back for a second night. No. I'm just going to lock the doors. You know, every time I think I'm going to bring that little headlight thing headlight thing that I have to see into the woods better, and I don't remember it. What did you hear?
I heard an animal growl.
Really?
I didn't think I would hear that. In the cold?
You sure it's not my car?
No.
We could check.
Okay.
We could check, I think she said.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, go check. See what that animal was.
It will be really important.
oh.
Was Chris just hearing things?
No.
Oh, that's creepy.
As you say,
Not so safe. Yeah, I guess it's not. You're right. This time I'm going to make sure I actually upload this correctly.
to come out.
Wants to come out. Who wants to come out? Who wants...
Oh, I hear animal
Little
little feet.
foot.
Orientation.
Orientation.
Maybe orientation for the animal.
Is this your orientation?
Some
How many of you are here tonight?
okay.
The second to last time I was here, something made me pass out. What was that caused me to pass out? I know I asked the same question last night and I really didn't get a response. What was it that caused me to pass out? What?
Link for them.
Was there something here that made me pass out?
Oh,
Thanks, I've got.
What? Oh, what was that? Chew weed? What?
The doubles.
The doubles?
In the work.
You just tell me to go to work. Go to work? I am working. I don't get paid for it, but... Oh, that's weird.
Tones of it.
The sound effect thing that I have in here just picked up like by itself. Okay, that one, I did that. Do you not really want to communicate with us tonight? I want to do a little provoking. Accident? What accident?
Hail Mary.
Whoa!
Oh, what is it?
Hail Mary.
Oh.
That was a creepy voice.
Hail Mary.
Wait. Why do you have to Hail Mary?
Over to.
Oh. It's the same voice just answered. Can you help us Hail Mary?
60%.
That was weird, dude. Why did we... In those woods. What's in those woods?
We've got saved.
Why do we need to Hail Mary? Can you show us how to Hail Mary?
Slow down.
Slow down.
80s.
Am I talking too fast?
You got.
I'll slow down if you want me to.
Back.
That was so weird, dude. That was a creepy voice.
Yeah.
Are you hearing things out there or no? No, it's too cold.
I had one animal before.
Leave. We just got here.
Oh, we can drive up and...
Yeah.
Viewers and listeners.
I still want to know how we can Hail Mary. What? Yeah, no. But we're gonna move up a little bit. Go down that way, down there. What are we gonna find if we go down there?
Finally, more animal footsteps.
Sure, not just hearing the leaves.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah.
What's out there?
I don't know.
I'm gonna yell at it.
Okay.
Woo!
That's not yelling.
Chris.
Jesus! It just says your name. I have... Oh my god, why does this app do that? I have it muted.
It loves you.
Oh god, that scares me every time it does that.
Woo!
Now I just unmute.
The wind.
Yeah. It's cold out there, man. This is the temperature for anyone who's interested.
Same time.
Only two dumbasses would be out here in the freezing cold. Whoa, I just heard something.
There's the wind.
He's a bitch? What? Who's a bitch? Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Car's coming.
Oh.
Hold on.
Oh, you love doing this, DJ.
Well, we were gonna move up anyway,
As
so.
long as you like fucking with him.
I'm not fucking with him. Is this the same guy? It is. It's the truck.
No.
It's the truck.
What does he have against you?
It's the truck.
What did you do? What do you cause? What is your feud?
It's the truck.
What's your feud? Oh, this way? I thought it was the back.
Ah! Chevy.
Those are the truck.
Yes, it is.
Oh. Film it.
It's the same truck. That time he almost went right into me.
But you filmed him.
Holy
Yeah,
crap.
That's pretty good.
Ah.
What has he got against you?
Maybe he's just like leaving for work or something. Yeah, but last night he kept doing that though over and over again.
I can see when the sun comes up.
Well, no, some people work late.
If he comes back around, you know.
Yeah. Some people do work late though.
Wow.
What?
Quiet.
I'm gonna draw my brownie for that one.
Do you like that we're here?
Retarded.
I think it just said retarded. What?
Oh, the guy that truck retarded or you?
See, look, that light just went on up there in that guy's house. I think that's who it is.
Yeah.
Watch, look.
Stand up, stand.
So they're talking like blah, blah,
I begin to.
See, that light is on
blah. And there's no truck there.
in that
The
house.
mom.
There's no car there, right?
Next time
Operation then.
I'm gonna follow him.
Doesn't stick in his driveway.
No, I don't even know if that's what it is.
Probably is.
Wait to record.
Wait, wreck? What? Wait, wreck?
I wish.
You wish what? What do you wish?
I don't wish nothing.
I wish it wasn't so cold out.
Grams majority of.
Well, let's see if he went home.
Them a love.
Or if he's still on the road, then.
I'm going back to that Ouija board spot.
Your online.
We should stop here at the reservoir. Yeah, but we never really caught a lot here, so. Is there anyone? It's cold, he said? No shit, Sherlock. Is there anyone here who...
Gladys. Right.
Is there anyone here who would like to talk to us?
About
Did he just say, I'll talk? Oh, that was a weird thing. This one says like asshole.
Eric and
It's a coffee.
If you want to... if you want to talk... Eat shit?
Oh. What a yelling.
And almost.
I don't know if they're talking to us or yelling at each other. Yeah.
Or weather.
Fall weather. Okay.
Yeah, so
Fall.
300.
That was me. That was me. I hit a twig.
Oh, happy
tire was popped.
What?
Crowley.
I hit a twig. That's all.
He's
Why?
driving.
He's driving.
Out in US.
No, my tires are fine. I don't think it popped.
Probably someone.
Dad was in charge.
Deb's in charge? What?
And that was one of the.
Are you guys talking amongst yourselves?
Questioning whether the
Heck? You can talk to us.
But it jerk.
What a jerk! You
They're in the league.
talking about me? I'm not a jerk.
Oh shit.
I'm a nice guy.
Let me see those readings for
You're a jerk. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'll do some light provoking here.
Drink.
How many spirits are here right now?
Got it.
I've had it. Oh, that was a weird sound.
One of the.
Well, you know what? I've had it too.
You know that is.
It's cold. I'm tired, and you're not giving me any good responses.
The left.
look to the left.
Look to the left. I hate when they
That's
say
no
that.
egg.
What?
No egg right here.
What's that smell of eggs?
Somebody's checking the egg.
Defamatory scene.
Oh, yeah, I smell it too. No, I don't think it's Bigfoot.
Stop.
What? It's him.
The whole body,
Oh no, what?
he's got like this clear stop over the mouth. It looks
Right?
Like a seizure type?
No.
What? What? What is happening right now? Who is communicating with us?
Not just. It shows that
Shows the evil
he has.
in your house. There's no evil in our house. Are you okay?
Yeah.
In the name of Jesus Christ, I demand to know who we're talking to right now.
World.
The world.
He had been.
What is your name?
Country.
Cheese stuff. But apply it. Oh yeah.
You still smell that?
no.
No, I don't either. Who is here communicating with us?
Absolutely.
They're doing something wrong.
Who's doing something wrong?
More.
What was that? It was like a tap. Are we doing something? Are we doing something wrong? What are we doing wrong? What's that noise? That's not you?
Yeah, I always. It's on.
Your phone's on here.
What are we doing wrong? Answer.
Don't leave again.
Whoa!
What is that?
Don't leave again.
You're gonna have.
Same voice. We're gonna have what?
Yes.
Gladys.
Dude,
It's it.
we're gonna have what?
That's insane.
What's insane? The same voice again. Whoa. Dude, what? What is your name? The one who keeps talking.
He's a
What did you say?
fan of Donald Trump. I think we.
You're not Donald Trump. What is your name?
In fact,
6. Oh, fuck. We don't want to talk to any demonic things.
Policy in a sec.
We're just trying to talk to
Let's see what
spirits.
cost more of you.
I know, the same voice. We only want to talk to spirits, no negative entities. In the name of Jesus.
Point people.
Same one.
You're disabled.
Thank you.
I called you disabled.
In the name of Jesus, we only want to talk to spirits.
Sure.
Because
Sure. Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
He's fat.
He's fat. Do you understand me? We only want to talk to spirits.
this
No,
is a
you stink. What the fuck? I smell eggs again. In the name of Jesus Christ.
feel like
Something's chewing out here. Here? Big gruntle.
Connor.
Listen. Listen.
I don't hear it.
Try to yell at it.
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh, I'm gonna roll the window back up.
Big fat.
Oh, sun just tapped inside here. What's that?
I don't know, man.
So you just tapped the top of the car. Who are you? What are you? I really don't like this fucking road, Chris.
Just watch this, Jim.
Just watch this, Jim. What the fuck? Watch what? What the hell?
Oh.
What do you want me to watch? My eyes are peeled. Whoa. What do you want me to watch?
Hear it?
Yeah.
What's easy out here?
I don't know. Maybe it's the wind.
I don't know when we. Woo!
What did you want me to watch? I have bad heartburn.
whole life.
Long knife.
I don't know. It sounded like it. Who has a long knife?
He was healing.
That's good.
Should have happened.
Who should have a long knife?
I don't think. It's me, but he will always just say Paul.
Here?
The
Yeah.
Animal
Is there an animal out there dying?
time. Faces. Oh.
to continue.
Woo.
In Rossetti.
What?
Big butt.
Barricade.
Barricade? What are you trying to barricade?
I just got a smell of like soap. Like a fragrance.
Really? Is that you making a smell of soap? Some kind of soapy, sweet smell?
Hello.
Oh,
The woman.
hello.
See,
What's your name? You sound nice. To the email that just answered, what's your name? Oh, I think it said Anne. Is your name Anne? Anne, do you know my name?
Rising children.
Well, my name's Jim. It's nice to meet you. Do you have anything you would like to say?
Feel like. Yes.
Are you okay, Chris? Back there?
This is a man. Apologise.
Apologize for what? What do you want me to apologize for? I'm not going to apologize until I know what I'm apologizing for. Then maybe I will. What do you want me to apologize for? Are you saying you want to apologize?
Trey knock.
Oh, wow.
other.
I'm gonna move up just a tiny bit. Okay? Just a little bit, though, not too far. Right up here.
Prisoner.
Right here.
Straight up.
What did you want me to apologize for?
And for this movie,
For this moment?
The lip.
What, you don't like that we're here, so you want me to apologize? Well, I'm sorry if we're bothering you. We don't mean to. We're just here to try to see who's here, and we like talking to you. But if we're bothering you, I apologize.
Former gen.
Oh man.
It's an omen? What's an omen? What? Heartburn? You too? That's weird. Why do you have it? Maybe just said a demon name. Listen, leave the demons alone, okay?
Race. Money laundering.
Who's here with us right now? Can you give me a
Hey there.
wow, I can't even talk right now. Can you give me a number of how many people are here? How many?
3 truck.
Trader. Who's a trader? Are you okay, Chris? Yeah.
The latest are
Who's a trader?
Onto Eurus.
Why are you laughing?
Jamie the
What's so funny? Oh, that was weird. Why are you all laughing now? I can laugh too.
by the app.
Was that you? Yeah, that was you. I can laugh too. Ha 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 ha. Can you sound like that? Ha 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 ha. What?
That was like a deer footstep.
Really? A deer foot?
I heard that branch. Well, it's not I bear. Woo!
Sure.
No. What did I say, jerk? Who's a jerk? You keep saying we're jerks. I don't know why. We're not being mean to you. This is getting pretty boring. Oh no. Is this the best you got? We could just say idiots.
I think so, yeah.
You want us to be jerks. Now I'll be one. This is supposed to be the scariest road in the state. Give me a break. It was scary just because we dropped off a dumb Ouija board.
I made it scary.
This road sucks. Huh? You got no comeback? You just...
I'm sitting in your trunk.
What? Well, get out of my trunk. There's no room back there. Not with all the dead bodies. I'm just kidding. I mean, I know I'm hearing weird tapping noises now. The scariest, most haunted road in the state, and all you can do is tap? Please. Feels like someone's touching my shirt. The wind's picking up.
New customers.
New customers. Oh, that she's freaking out. I mean, that. Who's the new customer? The wind's really picking up. Is that really the best you have? You have to be kidding me.
Look, a minute.
Oh,
I shall find.
actual find.
Jump.
The most scariest road, huh?
20 minutes.
We're not gonna be here in 20 minutes.
Living.
This is not living. Oh, we're gonna be dead?
Early.
Dude, freaking Route 8 is scarier than this. Come on. Whoa. I don't know what it says. Epstein. Okay, I'm not going there. That's what?
Question.
Okay, this road is not scary. That's what I'm trying to say. Can you prove me wrong? I hate when I say that. Whoa. What?
Thanks, Oak.
I don't know who that one is.
What's your name? The one who
Maybe a doctor.
sounded kind of weird there.
Patient.
Patient 9.
Patient 9. Are you a doctor?
Dr. Nato.
Problem. Did you be hearing us?
You'll be hearing us. I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna take a piss right on this road. No, I'm not. I'm just trying to do a little gentle provoking to get you to respond. Probably not a good idea to provoke you, though.
You know that.
Yeah.
Paper.
The big, scary Sawmill City Road.
It's not.
Jim, no, it's not. Okay. Sorry. Really? You made... Oh. Well, if you're not a creepy sounding voice. Thank you for help. Not you. What is that big long thing right there? Can you tell me?
This is
What is that? Let me know that you're actually here and can actually answer me.
my
What is that big thing right there? That long thing that going up there. What is that thing
You
called?
gotta remember that.
What's that thing called?
it does.
Trees? Well, you're right. If that's what you said. What, Chris?
Whoever's in here, the spirit is helping me hemorrhoids in the back.
It's what?
Yeah, it's making it massage feeling.
Excuse me?
Yeah, it feels like someone from up there.
Someone's massaging your ass? Disturbed, he said. Dude, you have problems. Hospital.
I feel so good.
Hold on.
Oh no!
What?
Is the truck coming?
No. Oh,
What is it?
I gotta take a urine.
Just like massages my ass.
Come back.
And I think-
Sorry to all the spirits, but I have to tinkle.
Appreciate system.
What? Now I'm gonna dump this urine out on this road. Do you want me to? You not want me to? Well, I'm going to right now.
Straight plan.
I just did it.
Oh boy, it's great.
Oh, really good. A baby. Who's a baby? Who's a baby?
Deep sea.
I'm gonna move up a little bit. This is boring.
Too much.
Why should we stop right here? We never usually stop here.
Both sides of
The both sides? What's on both sides?
The centipede.
The centipede? The centipede?
What a big.
In the woods?
I don't like centipedes. Sleeping. Is it a human centipede? Or that movie? We're gonna leave pretty soon because, no offense,
Yeah.
this is a little bit boring.
Some chocolate.
What?
Chris wants some chocolate. He doesn't need chocolate, but he wants some. He just keeps what? He just keeps what? Are you taking a nap back there?
No. I'm getting my ass massaged by the dead.
Something is a massage in your ass, Chris. It's in your mind.
Okay.
I mean, you know.
How do you know?
Exactly.
Okay, I'm stand corrected. Who is massaging Chris's ass? They laughed. I got it to laugh. Who is sticking their ectoplasmic hand right up there in that juicy, warm area? Spear was like, am I making you gag?
I like those.
There's 20 minutes.
Just give me 20 minutes back there. It's like,
It said that like 10 minutes ago.
I bet you had.
What's gonna happen in 20 minutes? We're gonna be home.
yeah, I'm gonna go home and get some.
Scared to stop.
Moving quick.
Scared to stop? We're not scared to stop. We're gonna stop right now. He's comfortable. Alright, we're gonna go. Yeah, we'll get to the end. I was hoping we'd see that guy again in the truck. We're gonna get to the end here, then I'll turn this thing off.
Holiday with. And I'm dead.
Ow, my eyes.
Behind us.
What was that?
Oh, good. He's like,
Well, I do want to thank you for communicating. If it sounded like if I was being a jerk
Airport.
tonight, I was just trying to provoke to get somebody to talk, that's all. We mean well. And I promise we won't be back here.
This month.
We won't be back here again tomorrow night. So you can all rest easy. Alright? I hope you all have a great sleep. I don't know what I'm saying.
dead, they're just in a different void.
Like a shit.
Martin Sheen? What? Alright, well, we come to the end of the road here, so
Take away from your phone.
no, that's that. Thank you for communicating. We really do appreciate it. We're closing the connection now. Once I turn off the Spirit Box app, that's it. The connection will be closed. Nothing is allowed to attach or follow its host. Thank you for communicating, and we'll be back sometime soon. What?
As it gets up there.
We'll be back sometime soon. Thank you for communicating.